Friday, March the 11th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Weather changes on the way as we go through the weekend. I'll take a look at that. More flooding, wrap up here over what's going on in the lower Mississippi Valley, and also take a look at the long-range thoughts for the rest of the month of March. Let's begin, though, with a look back at the time-lapse imagery from yesterday. It was another very, very nice day across the region as our Thursday rolled along. Good deal of sunshine out there as yesterday unfolded for us, and another very mild day around the region overall. Just great stuff. There's a look back at the highs from yesterday, a lot of upper 70s. And look at the 80-degree plus readings at a number of sites. 84 in Columbia yesterday, 82 in Fayetteville and Greenville, 81 in Wilmington, Elizabeth City even at 82. Around the Triad viewing area, that's how we stacked up yesterday afternoon, mid and upper 70s out there. Very, very nice weather day. Pretty similar conditions across the Charlotte metro viewing area, Charlotte viewing area rather, and the metro as well yesterday. Look at Wadesboro all the way up at 80 yesterday afternoon. All right, so we look at temperatures this morning. It's pretty mild. A lot of us sitting in the 60s this morning, 62 in Charlotte, 65 down in Columbia, 66 in Fayetteville, 68 in Myrtle Beach early this morning. And it looks like the color scheme on the connection here has got a little off, just bear with me here. But there's a look at the radar across the Carolinas. Quiet now, most of us with a dry day, but changes are about to take place. What a messy situation there through parts of the lower Mississippi Valley, all kinds of rain through Mississippi and western Alabama, and then especially hard hit Louisiana this morning. There's a big severe thunderstorm warning just issued for some of the parishes southwest of Louisiana early this morning. And again, rain has been a huge, huge problem over the past several days. Boy, that camera looks terrible. We'll just skip past that. But the rain is really coming down in many locations across Mississippi and Louisiana. Look at all the flood products out. These are either flood warnings, flash flood warnings, flood watches, river flood warnings, all types of flood products out as we speak. And boy, what a 4-day rain event this has been. You have parts of Louisiana, in Arkansas up over 1 foot of rain. Same story down into southern Mississippi and parts of southern Louisiana as well. Just a big-time flooding issue ongoing again. And look at the rain just continuing to pile in southeastern Louisiana, Mississippi, and western Alabama as today rolls along. Just during the course of today, you get those brighter shades of red. That's over 5 and 6 inches of rain in central Mississippi. And more flooding problems developing as we get deeper into the day. Now, around the Carolinas, cold front nosing in from the north, and due to the timing of this front, I think we're going to be able to squeeze in another pretty warm day. Look at these highs, still very warm across the region this afternoon. Lows in the 50s tonight. But let me go back to this chart here one more time, and notice as we get into tonight, some shower chances begin to creep in as moisture pools on the north side of that front. So, with lows in the 50s, we will see some showers developing overnight, especially in the western half of North Carolina. Saturday, a lot of clouds around the cool side of the boundary. I think most shower chances during the morning hours tomorrow, and it will be a cooler day. There's your highs tomorrow. And then as that system in Louisiana, Mississippi finally gets here, some scattered showers on Sunday. Your highs shape up like that. Now, there's your first very significantly weakening piece of energy. There it is over Texas right now, but that'll really weaken as it approaches here Sunday. And then notice this trailing piece of energy back in Oklahoma and Texas Sunday. That'll get here and bring us some additional scattered shower and storm chances on Monday afternoon. All right, so here's what all this looks like in the upper levels. This is the European model, 500 millibar chart, and this is valid early tomorrow morning, Saturday morning. There's your upper level low beginning to weaken over Texas. Notice it's completely filled in. It's just a remnant trough by Saturday night into Sunday morning. That's what brings us some scattered showers as we go through the Sunday portion of the forecast. There's your trailing piece of energy in the Texas Panhandle Saturday night into Sunday morning. And that, although weakening, should be enough to give us at least some scattered shower storm chances on Monday. So let me step you through that. First of all, here we are tonight, this evening into tonight, and that's when we see some showers trying to develop as this wedge temporarily builds in. This is around daybreak Saturday, and there's some clouds and showers opportunities out there. I think the afternoon hours, they're mainly dry across a lot of the region. but it will be a cooler day. There's our forecast high temperatures from the GFS computer model. Temperatures certainly much cooler than what we've had for a lot of the week. Now we get out to Sunday, and there comes the opportunity for some showers with that decaying Louisiana and Mississippi system. Some instability out there. There's the instability early Sunday afternoon, more instability available by early Sunday evening, but I don't think the thunderstorm threat is overly significant for us on Sunday. Now, as that trailing piece of energy moves in Monday, I showed you there's the chance again for some scattered showers or storms. More instability around Monday, so a little better chance for a few thunderstorms to be involved with that activity as Monday rolls along. Now, let me show you some long-term thoughts here. I have not changed my thinking at all. In fact, I'm more confident than ever as to how this is going to unfold for a lot of the rest of the month. Here we are. Thursday of next week, Thursday evening of next week, big ridge beginning to go up along the west coast. And by the way, these are the 500 millibar height anomalies, or basically the difference in average in the 500 millibar heights on the Canadian ensemble. All right, so that is a ridge going up on the west coast of North America. And then watch what happens. This is out at Sunday, the 20th of March, so this is Palm Sunday. That's a pretty good signal for a storm system in the eastern part of the country. And watch how the temperatures respond at 5,000 feet. Watch this temperature reversal. Now this is this weekend. This is Saturday. And it's still very warm in the eastern part of the country Tuesday of next week. But then watch this. What a turnaround. This is Friday at the end of next week. That's a good shot of cold air in much of the central part of the United States. You go out from there. This is Monday morning after Palm Sunday. So this is Monday of the week between Palm Sunday and Easter Sunday. That is a lot of cold air. Considering this is 252 hours out, that's a cold signal for sure on an ensemble mean chart. And even all the way out at Good Friday, you still have some chilly air in the eastern part of the country. So I do think starting late next week, and then especially around the 20th and 21st, kind of a chillier pattern temporarily sets in here across much of the eastern part of the United States. And it starts with a big shot of cold air by the end of next work week in the plains. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great weekend, and God bless.